Hi students, I'm going to look at Dust in the Wind and go over the pattern a bit. The pattern, which is shown in tablature form at the top of the chart right here, is the frets. And they use a C chord as an example. Now notice the two strings are played simultaneously, and then from left to right you play them. You play the D string, G string, A string, B string, D string, and G string, and the pattern is repeated over and over again. Now the first, you're playing a C chord in the left hand, and then you want to play 1 and 3. Well, actually frets, but actually it's the B and A string. So first know that you're playing the A string and the B string at the same time. Now let me go over what fingers I would use for the pattern from then on. So you have, then you have that D string, G string, A, B string, G string, D string, G. So you have this. So it's kind of hard to see, but the B string is so tiny it's almost not visible. But the thumb and the middle finger on the simultaneous strings. I'd use the first finger on the D string. I'd use the second finger, middle finger on the G. Thumb always on the bass. Middle finger again on the B. First finger on the D. And then middle finger again on the G. And then it starts again. Now the left hand, let's look at the chords. It's really a study in suspensions. So the first measure is, and we're talking about the introduction to Kansas Dust in the Wind. It's a C, so it's, I release my first finger for a C major 7. I add my pinky to what would be a C added 9th. Let me do that again in sequence. So 3, 4. Oh, let me pump up my image. So I'm doing this. I would do that until that was smooth before I added the A minor component, which is an A sus2, A sus4, and the pinky goes in the same position as it did for the C. A minor, back to the A sus2. One of the students said to learn this song, which he has done, was he just worked on the left hand first. think you could do simultaneously. You could just pick up your guitar when your left hand's sore, when the calluses are really dug, and just do this. With a C, I guess a C would sound better. Good luck with that, students.